friends, today's trek is to Andharban, and we are doing this with a group called as Ramblers India. So this is our fourth trek with them. So previously we had done Devkund and Harishchandragarh and Saler, Muller and Mora. So quite a good group. So today's trek, I'll just give a gist. We had left Mumbai yesterday night at around 11:30 with a private vehicle from Dadar and reached here at around 6:30. So currently here it is like 7:30. We had our breakfast and all, and now we are planning to leave in another 15-20 minutes. It's 11 and we just crossed the third and the final stream over there. So that's where two waterfalls converge and form a big stream. So it's been 2 hours since we started our trek and we are on our way ahead. So till now it's a very good trek and the weather is quite good here. So it's around 12:30 and we have taken a short break here. I don't know if you can see, there's quite a bit of heavy rain here. So we are resting up for some while before we get a small village ahead and then start a descent which is roughly of 3 hours and before we enter the bus and it's 3:15 now. We are just chilling at this water stream and waiting for the others to come. So after this we would be just passing a dam. So that is the end of the trek. After that we would be having our lunch at a place over there and then hopping in our buses and moving towards Mumbai. Hope you like the vlog. Do like, subscribe and comment. I will be putting some scenes of the dam after this. So do watch it. Hope you like the vlog.